good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins, you name it, guys. We're just out here to do our best to get success from crypto, change our lives, enjoy the life we deserve, right? We deserve to be on the yachts, to own a yacht. You know, we deserve, to own a mansion. We deserve to be able to travel anywhere in the world. We deserve that, right? So we're gonna be in this space. Stick with me on this channel as we grow and learn together. In this video, we're gonna be checking out Refund once again, RFD, sitting at $65.7 million in market cap. This trade volume though, this trade volume is absolutely insane, okay? This has higher trade volume than some of the top projects in the space right now in the top 100, okay? $32.5 million in 24-hour trade volume. We're gonna cover how much refund do you need to become a millionaire. Now, clearly, a lot of people don't have that much to invest. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. And yeah, a lot of people don't have that much to invest. But if you could build your your earnings, you get a win on this project, then you take some of that profit, you get a win on another project, and you keep building as the years go by, you'll see that you eventually get a seven-figure portfolio, right? It's just patience, time, and effort, and not missing opportunities and taking chances and risks when you see opportunities, right? So right now, Refund is sitting at a $65 million market cap. The chart looks amazing, man. Holding sideways. Whoever is in this project from the early, the start of the project, they have been holding, man. They are holding up the chart very well, okay? Now, in my last video, I said you needed 10 billion refund for crazy gains, for nice gains. It's actually 10 million, right? $1,000 invested into this project right now would get you 15.3 million refund. And who knows, guys? We saw what Pepe did, and going into the bull run, I'm sure Pepe will get to 10 billion, $20 billion in market cap, because Shiba last cycle got to 60 billion at the top, right? So as long as the refund community, you guys, because you're very, active, you're very engaged, you're very, on point with letting people know about the project. There's a story behind the project. There's a lot of Ethereum whales and people from the NFT space that are in Refund. That is in Refund, my apologies. Just like with Pepe, a huge amount of people from the NFT space, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Pudgy Penguins, Doodles, you name it, the top NFTs in the space, right? A lot of those people that weren't into actual crypto asset investments, they transitioned over into the, the DeFi, Ethereum, Uniswap, SushiSwap space. And those are the people that are in Pepe and Refund. And I think that we could see crazy potential gains in the future for this project. Now, obviously, I could be wrong, but you never invest more than you're willing to lose. You have, around $1,000 to invest. I have a bit of a cold right now. You have around $1,000 to invest in this project. It goes to $10 billion in market cap. That's around $100,000, because that would be 100x from here, okay? It goes to 10 billion. 100 billion market cap would be the 1000x, $1,000 to $1 million at $100 billion in market cap. Now that potentially could be far-fetched. You just never know what could happen in crypto though, but I wouldn't rule out $10 billion in market cap for Refund or Pepe. Even more. I would not rule it out at all, because the space is so unpredictable. The space is so, the crypto space is so, like I said, spontaneous, unpredictable. Those are the words I'm looking for. You think something's not gonna do what you expect it to do, then it does it. You think something's not gonna fail, and then it does fail, right? It happens all the time, man. Like, you think that project's not going anywhere, it absolutely sends. You think, oh, that project's that project's gonna fail. It absolutely sends. You think, oh, this is the best project ever. This is one of the best. This is gonna do 100x, 10,000x. You know, those crazy numbers, right? And then it fails. This is how the crypto space is, guys. If you have $1,000, you're willing to lose, right? You're not gonna cry about it if you know the project, if Refund does fail. I would say that's a great investment in Refund, especially at this market cap. You just never know, man. Like I said, you can't rule out 10 billion market cap. You can't. People will be like, no, that's impossible. No, because Pepe came out and went to 1.7 billion in 2 weeks. Okay, it's not impossible for projects to do that. It's just, where are the eyes? It's all about attention and hype and who's talking about the project. Where are the investors going? Where are the eyes? Are the eyes on this project? Okay, that's where all the investors are. It could probably do that. When it comes to a bull run, like there'll be more eyes, because right now I think in this space a lot of the projects that are, you know, rocketing right now, is just the same amount of money changing hands between each other. It's just the same money that's circulating in the space. It's not bull run time yet. I don't think there's much new retail investors in the space yet. Pepe brought in some, but there's not much new retail investors yet. Okay, we don't see those crazy senders happening every day yet. It's gonna happen, and Pepe Rfd, I think, will, you know, crush it. I think, right? It's already listed on KuCoin. Got a lot of noise, right? You have $1,000 invested in this project, you know, even $500. That could potentially be something huge, you know. But I just see the potential. It's the same thing with Pepe. A lot of people were talking about it. Then I saw it at 80 to 100 mil for like a few days, and it went straight to 1.7 billion. Right? It happened so fast. So, you know, you got to keep an eye on these things. RFD's deflationary blurs a genius. Let blur cook. So far, over 5% of the supply has been burned, which is worth over 3 million at current prices. By typing burn in the official Telegram, you can see the burn stats. A possible future liquidity unlock to use the collected ETH fees to project in some way infinite possibilities. The unclaimed token fees will most likely be truly burned then, or have more bullish use case. We were gonna have to cover this in another video about the burn. But yeah, guys, a lot of people talking about the project, man. You know, I could just, you know, spend a day on going through like what's recently happened on the Twitter. Maybe in tomorrow's video I'll check out the project once again tomorrow, because it's making the noise right now, man. It's it's crushing it. It's making the noise, just like Pepe as well. But yeah, you have $500 to $1,000 in this. I don't think, you know, you'd cry about it if the project does fail. But if it does send, that's nice gains, man. You know, that could potentially be 6 figures in the future. Maybe close to 7 figures. You never know. But yeah, if you hold Refund Rfd, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Refund and myself will be in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.